Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings to open the panel. This opens a central place for resolution, scale, and orientation controls. Set resolution to 1920x 1080 or choose the recommended native resolution for the best sharpness. Adjust scale to 100% or 125% to change text and icon size without altering resolution. Use orientation to switch between landscape and portrait when rotating a monitor. Click Advanced Display Settings to view current refresh rate and active display adapter information. Close the panel when you finish adjusting and confirm any prompt. Connect additional monitors by HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C, and then open Display Settings. Use the Identify button and drag monitor icons to match your physical layout accurately. Choose which display is primary to show the taskbar and Start menu on that screen. Use Win+P to quickly choose Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen only for presentations or focused work. For different resolutions, pick the recommended resolution per monitor to avoid scaling blur. If displays flicker, check cables and update the graphics driver from Device Manager. Open Advanced Display Settings to change the refresh rate to 60Hz or 144Hz if your monitor supports those values. Enable Night Light to reduce blue light and set a custom schedule for evening hours. Toggle HDR and advanced color settings for compatible displays to improve contrast and brightness. Calibrate color using the built-in color calibration tool when accurate color is important. Use graphics settings to assign high-performance GPU for specific apps when using multiple GPUs. If a change causes problems, reset or roll.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.